Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here doing another Ipsy unboxing. And I did already put my makeup on and do my kind of a face routine in another video, so go check that out. I've been using a lot of awesome new products from Libri, and I am having a party right now, so go ahead and check the description for that link. I'm so excited to be sharing that awesome stuff with you guys. But let's go ahead and get into this. This is just the regular $12 a month subscription. Let's see what they sent me. Ooh! Oh, I love this bag. It feels waterproof. So it looks like that. It says Escape on it. Let's see if there's anything else. That was all that was in there. I love that they put everything in the bag. It's so cute. And the zipper has a plane on it. How cute is that? This is going to be awesome for traveling in the future. I'm just going to dump everything out so I can grab it easier for you guys. Woo! I have no idea what they put in here. So this is going to be a surprise for me. The first thing I'm going to pick up is the Verb Manage Plus Restore Hydrating Mask. Looks like that. And if you guys have tried anything, please comment down below if you liked it or not. The next is Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. I'm not sure what this is. I'm going to go ahead and open this up to see. Here's what the packaging looks like. Natural Radiance Booster. There's what it looks like. I'm wondering if I'd use this as an eyeshadow. It's a nice gold shimmery. It could be a highlight for your face. I think it is. Let's see. I don't know if you guys can tell any difference. Ooh, ooh. I'm liking this. Who knows if I'm even putting it in the right spot. Damn. All right. Next we have Fab Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. Excited to try that. And the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner Waterproof. I love this liner. It's a nice travel size as well. I'm going to save that. And last but not least, whatever's in this bubble wrap here. Space Case Cosmetics. Ooh, and it's eyeshadow. Look at how cute this packaging is. Open that up. Ah, can't get it open. Oh, shoot, I don't want to rip it, but pretty. It's a nice neutral color, kind of a brown, kind of a gold. I love that packaging with the UFO on it. Karma is a Beach. That's the shade. I'm gonna see here. Ooh. It's very neutral. You guys can see this. It's on that finger there. Kind of a nice tan. I almost want to try some on in my crease to see if you guys can even tell that it's on. It is really nude. Very nice natural color, honestly. Very nice for wearing like if you have a pool day or by the beach, because you don't want to put on a dark shade when you're going swimming because it's going to get all over your face when it gets wet. So this is really nice and natural. I love that it's a screw on top. You don't see that very often. So that was it for my Ipsy unboxing of the month for July. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you guys want to see any other videos from me in like specific videos like this, or could be a question video or a story time video. But yeah, have an awesome day wherever you are in the world, and please subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.